First, remove the protective sponge and film. Install the side brushes. If mopping is required, attach the mop cloth as well. Position the charging base. Align the vacuum cleaner's charging sensors with the charging base's contacts. Charge for at least 4 hours before first use. Open the app and create an account. Add the D10 to your account. Press and hold the power and home buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds to enter network configuration mode. Follow the app's instructions to set up a Wi-Fi connection. Go to Wi-Fi list and connect to the hotspot whose name starts with Ultenic. Return to the Ultenic app and complete the Wi-Fi connection. Start cleaning by pressing the Start button on the app. The machine will dynamically plan the cleaning route based on the scanned map. It will begin along the wall and then proceed in a zigzag pattern for orderly and efficient coverage. Set up no-go zones as needed. Choose from 5 cleaning modes: automatic, partition, area, and spot cleaning and mopping. After cleaning, the machine will automatically return to the charging base.
Start recharging.
In standby or pause state, press the recharge button to start recharging. Open the roller brush cover. Remove the roller brush. Clean the roller brush with the provided tool. Remove the dustbin. Empty the water tank. Empty the dustbin trash. Remove the HEPA filter. Tap to remove dust. Rinse the dustbin and HEPA filter. Air dry. Remove the mop cloth. Rinse and air dry. Attach the replacement mop cloth. Finally, reassemble all clean parts. Wipe the sensors and the machine with a soft, dry cloth. And it's ready for the next time.